Hi, my name is Elle and I work on the marketing team here at PropertyBox, and today I'm going to be talking you through how to create your first property on the PropertyBox platform. So as you can see, I am already logged in to my workspace. If you're watching this video, it's likely that you haven't created any properties, so your workspace will probably be empty, unlike mine, which has some pre-existing properties in it. So to create your first property listing, what you're going to want to do is head over to this big blue button on the right hand side that says create new property. Click on this and it will bring up this window. So the first thing you're going to need to do is input your property address. You can either do this up here and it will autofill your address, or you can enter it manually. For the purpose of today's video, I'm just going to use the example address that's used up here. There we go. And it will autofill for me. So down here is an optional segment. So this is just asking you for some core information about the property. It's not essential, but it's useful to fill this in now, as it will help with the content later down the line if you're creating any social media content on the platform or any AI descriptions. So for example's sake, let's say this is a for sale listing. Let's say my property has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's a detached property and it is a house. There's also this option here to add in your property listing URL. We suggest including your URL from your site and not from a platform. Therefore, any traffic that has come from social media content will go straight through to your website rather than a different portal or platform. And then once you've input all the information, you just go over to this blue button on the right hand side that says Save Property. And there you go, that property has been created. You can see we're in the property frame just here. If we go back to your workspace, you'll be able to see it at the top. So there you go, that was how to create your first property on the PropertyBox platform.